When I got saved, I loved being out on the street. I loved telling people about Jesus. I could not stop telling about Jesus. And therefore I got a stamp, Torben, you are evangelist. I thought, okay, I don't know what that is, but I am an evangelist. And I had that stamp on me, and in the beginning, I would say I was more evangelist. That was maybe my 90% that and only 10% other things. I was not mature in it. I did not know the purpose of the gifting. So in the beginning, I was only out evangelizing, and I did not care so much about the church. But as I grew up in maturity, I recognized that, yeah, but the gifting God had given me is in the church to equip the believers. So the evangelist was not only being out there to evangelize, he's also being in here and train the people to evangelize.